So tomorrow is Eid al-Fitr feast. We celebrate al-Fitr feast after Ramadan, and this is how Israel gave us Eid, gave us the idea. So you need to know that we take idea from our parents. They give a very little amount of money for children, and this was our idea. This massive destruction, the destroying of everything we know in this city. This is how we celebrate Eid. They intentionally withdrew the forces 2 days before Eid al-Fitr from Khan Yunis so people can celebrate Eid in these conditions. They're doing us to break us inside. They're doing us to make us feel this anger and sadness and feeling helpless. We cannot do anything. Hopeless. We cannot build anything. كل عام وانتم بخير Muslims. كل عام وانتم بخير Arabs. كل عام وانتم بخير all.